kids, you are going to learn some basic English words and we are going to see how to use that words in a sentence. Hello. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Goodbye. Goodbye, see you later. Goodbye, see you later. Yes. Yes, I would like some water, please. Yes, I would like some water, please. No. No, I don't want it. No, I don't want it. Thank you. Thank you for helping me with my homework. Thank you for helping me with my homework. Please. Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? Sorry. I'm sorry for being late to the meeting. I'm sorry for being late to the meeting. Excuse me. Excuse me, could you repeat that? Excuse me, could you repeat that? Help. Can you help me carry these bags? Can you help me carry these bags? Food. I'm hungry. Let's go get some food. I'm hungry. Let's go get some food. Drink. Would you like something to drink with your meal? Would you like something to drink with your meal? Water. Can I have a glass of water, please? Can I have a glass of water, please? Friend. I'm going to hang out with my friend after school. I'm going to hang out with my friend after school. Family. My family and I are going on vacation next week. My family and I are going on vacation next week. Home. I cannot wait to go home and relax. I cannot wait to go home and relax. Work. I have a lot of work to do today. I have a lot of work to do today. School. What did you learn at school today? What did you learn at school today? Play. Let's go outside and play in the park. Let's go outside and play in the park. Read. I like to read books before going to bed. I like to read books before going to bed. Write. I need to write a report for my boss. I need to write a report for my boss.